Very warm good morning. Small Scale Industry Day was celebrated by the student of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School on 30 August. Small scale industries are industries that manufacture goods and provide services on a small scale using limited manpower and smaller machines. They are considered the lifeline of an economy and are important for countries like India. SSIS play a crucial role in the social and economic development of India.
For the development of countries like India, SSI small scale industry plays a curricular role in social and economic development and has several advantages now. So the first advantage is employment. SSIs are labor intensive and can create employment on a large scale, which is important in countries with large labor pools like India. Financial stability. SSI small scale industry helps to stabilize the PCI per capita income by making one-time investment in machinery and plant that does not exceed Rs 1 crore.
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also promoting the small scale industry. He launches many schemes which provide the small scale industries credit support, raw material distribute basic raw material among small scale industries.
The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, has expressed his belief that small-scale industries can help India's revolution, industrial revolution, and lay the clean business that use technology. He has also said that SSIS can contribute to the Make in India initiative.
The Modi government has taken steps to support the small-scale industry and bring them to the forefront of the Indian economy. These efforts have focused on addressing the hidden growth of the small-scale industry.
SSIS plays an important role producing almost 40% of the goods and services and employing a large number of people.
I express special gratitude to our academic in charge, Mrs. Pramila Mishra ma'am, and class 10th in charge, Mrs. Shalini Gupta ma'am, who participated in this activity and encouraged the
Importance. It is something invaluable. Is it clear? But if you want, you can give 100 rupees. Okay?
Like that.
आपको ऐसे इस तरह मार्केटिंग करनी होती है. You have to do marketing in this way. Okay?
Our academic in charge, Mrs. Pramila Mishra ma'am, also explained the rules of marketing. She encouraged the students by purchasing product made by them.
Everyone,
So that's all about Small Scale Industry Day. Thank you.